Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AdoreDonnie. Today I'm going to show you guys how I went from the straight flat iron hair back to my naturally curly hair. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. So first thing first, I actually cut some of my hair off because I wanted it to be more even. So yeah, the only part that I did not cut was my bangs because I wanted to shape my bangs afterwards, which I still haven't done, but I'll get to it later. So yeah, this is after I washed and conditioned my hair. And so as you can see, I have coarse, high brushy hair. So that's why my hair is very poofy. It's always been like that ever since I even had relaxed hair. It has always been poofy. Anyway, so we're gonna get into this deep conditioner, you guys. I am using BodyWorks Jojoba Monoi natural deep conditioner. So in my last video, I said that I always deep condition my hair before and after whenever I straighten my hair. That way I can replenish my curls, especially after I straighten my hair. And this is exactly what this deep conditioner does, y'all. Like, I love this deep conditioner because first, it smells good. Second, it's thick. Third, it leaves my hair super soft and manageable, y'all. Like, OMG, if you have not used this deep conditioner, especially if you have like 3C to 4C hair, oh, y'all need to get this deep conditioner for real, because I love it.
Relationship was my religion. Spending evenings on my knees, and Jesus knows you crossed my mind. That relationship was my religion. My patience is thin and I can't stand being this lonely. I'm not too proud to admit it. You're the only one I'm missing. Erasing the memories is too hard to forget.
So then I wrap a plastic bag over my head and let the deep conditioner sit on my head for a good hour or so with a towel wrapped over the plastic bag. And then I come back and rinse it out. And then I go into styling my hair.
I slowly lose my grip and find myself falling in love with you again. But hey,
so to style my hair, I'm going to use the Citrus Fusion Butter for Hair and Body by BodyWorks. This is another product that I love because one, it has citrus in it, you guys, so it smells amazing. Like, this is like the perfect product to use like during the spring and summertime because ooh, the smell alone just y'all. And it's a product that is basically 2-in-1. You can use it for your hair and your body. So basically it leaves my hair and my curls soft and bouncy. And on top of that, my body is smooth from using it. Yes, love it.
It's been way too long, I'm losing all this precious time. That relationship was my...
So I'm just doing a 2-strand twist. I usually do all my, well, not all my hairstyles, but most of my hairstyles like this because I just love doing it and it is super easy. So yeah.
I think I'm having trouble letting go of you. Trouble moving on, acting like I don't notice you. Makes me want more of you. I've been going through phases. Guess my feelings ain't changed yet. I've been trying to start over, but part of me just can't yet. I'm looking for closure. Life without you feels much slower. In my brand new car, thinking about when I come over. I know that you can't forget about all of the things I told you. I break down and you roll up. We were never really stoners, but I promise I'm way too far from sober. I'm back in your city, you not happy I showed up. I probably had just a little too much to drink, yeah. That's okay.
Also, when you do your twist outs, you want to add oil to your hair, either before you add the cream or after you add the cream. It really doesn't matter. I had to make sure I said it because I forgot to record that part. And yeah, I do add oil to my hair. I just didn't record it.
Relationship was my religion.
So here I'm just taking off the access product so my hair can fully dry by the next day.
This relationship was my religion. Spending evenings on my knees, and Jesus knows you crossed my mind.
Now it is the next day. Before you take down your twist, you want to add oil to your hands. That way you can create less frizz when you're taking down your twist. And when I untwist my hair, I just twirl in the opposite direction, and then I call this like the tickling method. Basically, I like tickle my hair and that's like how I just separate my curls from doing that.
But you just boost me up, then leave me hanging off a cliff, and I slowly lose my grip. I slowly lose my grip and find myself falling in love with you again. But hey, I promise I'm way too far from sober. I'm back in your city, you not happy I showed up. I probably had just a little too much to drink, yeah. That's okay, I'm just gonna say everything I'm thinking. It's been way too long, I'm losing all this precious time. This relationship was my religion. Spending evenings on my knees, and Jesus knows you crossed my mind. That relationship was my religion. It's been way too long, I'm losing all this precious time. That relationship was my religion. Spending evenings on my knees, and Jesus knows you crossed my mind. That relationship was my religion.
Pete's Row.
Let me help you get your mind off your ex tonight. You with Everysecnd, don't second guess tonight. You love him to death, I can bring you back to life. I know why you left, cause he wasn't acting right. You calling it theft, all of your love that I stole. Now you feel like you're losing control, baby. The condition is too critical. All your text messages subliminal. Girl, I know this way you wanna be, don't lie. When you nervous, your heart beats so loud. You the only one I see in the whole crowd. I want you to remember me the whole time. Can't let him in my way. Can't let you slip away. I'm right here in your face. Let's face it, I just wanna make it harder to forget me now. How can I make it harder to forget me now? I ain't letting up, don't let me down. Don't turn away, don't turn me down. Girl, I spend all my time on your brain 24/7, make it harder to forget me now.
So now I'm just trying to get the parts out. But that's all, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
I hate the fact that you didn't get the hint the first time. Girl, I pay attention like you pay ties. I know how to fix it when you